Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the XcelPay wallet app. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Next, type XcelPay wallet app. Then tap on search. This is the app that we are going to be downloading. Tap on it. Then tap on install. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection during the installation process. Now let it begin downloading. When the download is finished, tap on open. To use the app, you can now log in or register by following the instructions. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.